Introduce features interest for TOOLUCK Pressure Washer 2850 Psi Power Washer 2.0 GPM Electric Pressure Washer 1700 W Portable Pressure Washer with 35 feet power cord length. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose TOOLUCK Pressure Washer 2850 PSI Power Washer 2.0 GPM. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Efficient and safe pressure washer. The powerful 1700 watt motor generates up to 2850 psi/2.0 GPM for max cleaning power. Built-in smart thermal sensor device, the machine will automatically turn off when the temperature exceed 140 degrees F. Receptacles are available having built-in Gfci protection, which is safer than others. The portable pressure washer is only 13 pounds, making this handheld power washer as easy to carry around as a handbag. TOOLUCK Electric Pressure Washer features an automatic total stop system that automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. The spray gun has a safety lock which is safer and more reliable. The nozzle of this portable pressure washer is adjustable. You can adjust water pressure by rotating the nozzle. The machine supports putting the water pipe into the bucket to absorb water. Even if without the faucet, you can use it to clean. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.